Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made. Well, it's actually a traveller's notebook, and I've used a kit from ARTYmaze and it's called Back to Nature, and I will link ARTYmaze's website below if you want to go over and take a peek. Again, it turned out quite chunky. I have used a few bird images that I had already in my stash as well, and I have no idea where I got them from, probably Pinterest or yeah, Google search or something like that. So it's a soft cover, there is stitching, it's sewn onto white cardstock as well. The image here, I think this is one that I got from a search, either Pinterest or the internet. We've got a little piece of cotton fabric here with some cheesecloth, some bling. There's also some cheesecloth around the image. That's been sewn onto some coffee dyed paper. Let's go inside. You can see I've got some pom-pom trim and some lace trim and some crocheted trim on there. So I can't remember how many pages are in that, but I will this is obviously for sale in my shop, so all the details will be on there. So we have a pocket here, and I've decoupaged a butterfly from the kit. Though you get a whole sheet of butterflies in this kit, so I use them. I don't normally use them, but I've been watching Andrea, who is ARTYmaze, do quite a lot of decoupaging lately, and I thought, well, it's so easy, why am I not doing it? So I'm doing it now. We have a doily and a paper bag. There's some ledger paper here. This is a printable, and again it's from ARTYmaze and it's on her freebie section. Just some ephemera on there. Have done some stenciling and some script stamping. There is the swirl stencil and the honeycomb. We have, oops, there is lots of places to journal as well as having lots of pockets and embellishments. Here I saw Terry Woods do something with some music paper, so I had a few sheets printed out, and I've just done there's some shimmer on that as well. This die cut here is from Daisy Collins, who is Tsunami Rose, and then I just put some bling on the centre. Oh, we have, oops, didn't mean to wobble that. There we go. So that's paper clipped on. That's a little envelope with the journaling card inside. It's a double journaling card, and then we just have some ephemera tucked in there. So, oh, I keep wobbling this camera, sorry. It's kind of standing and I'm at a very awkward angle. So there is some of this binding, some fabric, some cheesecloth and a button here, and a piece of glue which is not supposed to be there. It's all gone now. This I just found on the internet, and I just sewed that onto some coffee dyed paper. More stenciling, stamping, jelly bean soup pockets here with the tag, all from the kit, all from the kit. Another flip out here. I made a large tag with two of the pockets that were left over that I didn't use in the journal, and just made it into a little pocket there. And we've got some crocheted trim there, some stamping, stenciling. Oh, that does have to come off because that flips out. Little pocket. Actually, this is 3 tags, and I kept them all in one piece. And that tag says, "And the story begins." And you know, I had a flashback here. Just had a little, one of the journals that I'd done the other day, I didn't put everything back inside the pockets, and I think I've posted it like that. I've shipped it out and I haven't put the tags back in. Done that once before, and it kind of made my belly feel a bit funny. It's like, oh, what have I done? So I know it was one of the journals that I showed the other day, so I'm so sorry if whoever's bought that particular journal. I haven't put the tags in the pockets. Flip out there, and and see, I'm getting all confabulated now, an envelope there, and there's nothing in the envelope, but it just attaches in there, and that pops there. The pom-pom trim, pages from the kit, Terry Woods flip out here, we've got a tag, and another tag, a journaling card, and that flips out like so, and obviously you can do journaling or drawings, whatever you like to do in your secret little places. And some more decoupage in there, and we've got some bling here in the middle. A little fabric snippety type thing. Little flip out here, another flip out, centered signature, that flips out, and we've got a tag there in the pocket, and 3 more tags that are from the kit, and paper clip goes on there. There's another one of these tags, which is a pocket, some stamping, stenciling, some crocheted trim, another one of these fabric snippet things, a little journaling card that doesn't want to come off, and here we have some ephemera, an envelope there with the journaling card, pocket here, well, this paper bag pocket, a doily. This is another Terry Woods flip out, so I'll just take these out and show you. Tag, handmade tag, and a little tag, and little paper clip holding it together, and I've decorated it with a doily, some decoupage there, some of this blue trim, and some bling, and that flips out, so you have all this extra journaling space, and that goes in there, and that just paper clips on there. Another jelly bean soup pocket, a tag, journaling card, and another tag from the kit. I love this page from the kit, it's one of my favourite pages from this kit. Another little snippet doodah thing there. Trim, envelope here, that flips out. The envelope is like so, and obviously there's just paper clips in there with that. Paper bag, a doily, another flip up. That is a double journaling card. And another one of these just little flip outs, kind of looks like an envelope, with another little die cut here from Tsunami Rose with the bling on there. Little journaling card there, and flip out, and a journaling card in there. Paper bag, doily, and I think this is the last page. Another little journaling card, a flip out, 2 pieces of ephemera, just tucked inside there, and that goes on there, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I said, I'll have ARTYmaze's link below. I'll have the link to my shop, and there is 10% off at the moment. The code will be below, and it's called back to school, but you have to put in the back to school exactly like it's written in the description box below, because I've spelt it BK2SKOOL, not the normal way of saying back to school. So yeah, to get 10% off you can use that code. That is going on till the 31st of August, so you can take advantage of that. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.